We just saw how to calculate the slope for an equation using the slope-intercept form of a line. Now we're going to see how to calculate the y-intercept for an equation using pretty much the same steps. So first of all, remind yourself, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope of the line, b is the y-intercept of the line, and x and y are represent a point on the line. So x would be the x variable or the x coordinate of a point, and y would be the y coordinate of the same point. So we have four variables that we're working with here. Let's see how we can use it to find the y-intercept. So this statement says to find the y-intercept of a line that has a slope of 2 and goes through the point 3, -8. So think about the information that we're given here. We're given the slope of the line is 2. So that must mean m equals 2. And it goes through the point 3, -8. So this is an x and a y value for a coordinate that my line goes through. So I have 3 of the 4 variables in this equation. So let's plug them in. Y is -8, m is 2, x is 3, those are multiplied together, then plus b. B is what I don't have. I'm trying to find b, the y-intercept. Okay, so clean this up a little bit. I have -8 equals 2 times 3 is 6 plus b. Now I just need to get b all by itself, so get rid of the 6 by combining it with its 0 pair. The 0 pair would be -6. And do that on both sides to keep it balanced. -8 minus 6, check it with a calculator to make sure you get the sign right, is -14. 6 minus 6 is the 0, and then this equals b. So b in this equation is a -14. So if I were to write the equation for this line that's being described, it would be y equals 2, because 2 is m, 2x plus b. B is a -14, so it's just going to be -14. This is the equation of the line being described. Let's do another one. Find the y-intercept of a line that has a slope of -1 and goes through the point -4, 10. Okay, remember, if I'm given the slope, that's represented by the variable m, and a point is just an x and a y coordinate. So let's plug in what we know. Y is 10, m is -1, x is -4, and we don't know what b is, so b stays b. Let's clean it up so it's easier to work with. -1 times a -4 is +4. So 10 equals 4 plus b. Hopefully you guys can solve this one. Subtract 4 on both sides. 10 minus 4 is 6. Those combine to be 0. So b equals 6. How to write the equation now for this line? Y equals m, which is a -1, x plus b, which is 6. And like I said in the previous video, we don't usually write a 1 in front of our variable. So the more common way you would see this written would be like this. This is the equation of the line being described. One more example, just for kicks. Find the y-intercept of a line that has a slope of 1/2 and goes through the point 12, -1. Okay, 1/2 is the slope, so that's m. 12, -1 is an x and y coordinate of a point this line goes through. Okay, so plug in what we know. We know y is -1. We know m is 1/2. We know x is 12. And we don't know what b is. Clean it up so it's easier to work with. 1/2 times 12, that's just saying what's half of 12? It's 6 plus b. Okay, we need to figure out what b is all by itself, so this 6 needs to go away. Combine it with its 0 pair, which is a -6, or -6, and do that on both sides to keep it balanced. -1 minus 6 is a -7. This equals, well, that's a 0 pair, so this equals b. So the y-intercept of this line is a -7. And to write the equation of this line, it would be y equals m, which is 1/2, x plus b, but b is a -7, we'll just do -7 then. So this is the equation of the line being described.